Good morning, children. Today we are going to learn a new lesson, that is measuring capacity. What do you mean by the word capacity? Capacity means the amount or quantity of a liquid a container can hold. Capacity of a container is the quantity of a liquid that it can hold. And what is the standard unit of capacity? That is liter. Liter is the standard unit of capacity and it is denoted by the letter L. Okay, you know that, children, 1000 milliliter is equal to 1 liter. 1000 milliliter is equal to 1 liter. This is the smallest unit, milliliter. 1000 milliliter we will get 1 liter. So now in this lesson we are going to study about the conversion of liter to milliliter and its opposite, milliliter to liter. So first we are going to study about the conversion of liter to milliliter. So conversion of liter to milliliter. Conversion of liter to milliliter. You know that 1000 milliliter is equal to 1 liter. So if we want to convert liter to milliliter, which is the higher unit, liter. So if you are converting a higher unit to a smaller unit, then multiplication will come there. So with what number we are multiplying? With the 1000. So if we want to convert liter to milliliter, then multiply with the 1000. Then we can easily convert it into milliliter. Example, 6 liter. How do we convert it into milliliter? 6 liter is equal to 6 into 1000 milliliter. First example, 6 liter. So if you want to convert liter to milliliter, we should multiply that 6 with the 1000. Then that will convert it to milliliter. So 6 into 1000 is 6000 milliliter. Okay. 8 liter, 8 into 1000, that is 8000 milliliter. 5 liter. 5 liter is equal to 5000 milliliter. Okay. In this way, we can find out that we can convert it into milliliter. Next example for this conversion, the quantities are given in liters and milliliters. Then how do we convert the whole into milliliter? That we are going to do now. This first example, 2 liter 150 milliliter. 2 liter 150 milliliter. 2 liter 2 into 1000 milliliter plus milliliter part as it is. It is 150 milliliter. It's equal to 2000 milliliter plus 150 milliliter. 2000 and 150 add. Then 2150 milliliter is the answer. Let's do next example. Next example, 6 liter 75 milliliter. 75 milliliter. It is 6 liter 6 into 1000 milliliter plus 75 milliliter is equal to 6000 milliliter plus 75 milliliter. Okay, then sorry, 6075 milliliter is the answer. Another example, 9680 milliliter. 9 liter 6800 milliliter. How do we convert it into milliliter? This 9000 milliliter plus 680 milliliter is equal to 9680 milliliter. Okay. These are the examples of conversion of liter to milliliter. Quantity given on liter, that number we should multiply with 1000. Then we can convert it into milliliter. Then next, it's opposite. That is, here converting now, conversion of milliliter to liter. Conversion of milliliter to liter. How do we convert? That is, divide by 1000. Whatever quantity is given on milliliter, that number divided by 1000, that will convert it into liter. Okay, first example, 9000 milliliter equal to 9000 divided by 1000 equal to 9 liter. Okay, 2000 milliliter, 2000 divided by 1000 is equal to 2 liter. Okay, next example, 3765 milliliter, 3765 milliliter is equal to 3765 by 1000. So 3 digits will go to milliliter part and the left out digit will come as liter part. So write like this, 3 liter 765 milliliter. Okay. Then 8005 milliliter, 8005 milliliter. How do we convert it into liter? This 8005 by 1000 equal to liter. That is 8 liter 5 milliliter. 8 liter 5 milliliter. Next example, 3333 milliliter is equal to 3 liter 3333 milliliter. Okay, so separate it and write. Okay, so that is the conversion of milliliter to liter. Okay, that is the conversion of milliliter to liter. So now we learned about liter. How do we convert liter into milliliter? And how do we, if we want to convert liter to milliliter, we should multiply by 1000. And if we want to convert milliliter to liter, then we should divide by 1000. Okay. Today that much, children. Thank you and have a nice day.
Let's learn about liters and milliliters with Miss Julie. Good morning, children. Today, first, let's revise capacity. Look, I have a bottle filled with water and an empty jar. Let's pour this water in the jar. Look, the water started overflowing and fell out of the jar. Hence, we can say that the capacity of the bottle is more than the jar. That is, the bottle can hold more water than the jar. The amount of liquid a container can hold is called its capacity. Here, the amount of water that the jar is holding is called the capacity of the jar. Liter is the standard unit for measuring capacity. We measure the capacity of a container in liters and milliliters. A liter is represented like this. A milliliter is represented like this. Liter is the bigger unit and milliliter is the smaller unit of capacity. we know that 1 liter is equal to 1000 milliliters. To change liter to milliliter, we multiply liter by 1000. Let's see how. Let's convert 2 liters into milliliters. So, here 2 into 1000 is equal to 2000 milliliters. Thus, we get 2 liters is equal to 2000 milliliters. Let's try one more example. Let's convert 69 liters into milliliters. So, here 69 into 1000 is equal to 69,000 milliliters. Thus, we get 69 liters is equal to 69,000 milliliters. There are certain standard measures used to measure the capacity of a liquid. They are approved by the government. 50 milliliters, 100 milliliters, 200 milliliters, 500 milliliters, 1 liter, 2 liters, 5 liters, and 10 liters. Certain liquids in markets are sold in liters and milliliters. Let's have a look at few such examples. 1. Cold drinks are sold in bottles that can hold 200 milliliters, 500 milliliters, and 1 liter. 2. We have seen cooking oil getting sold in pouches that can hold half a liter or 1 liter. The big cans can hold 5, 10, 20 liters of oil. 3. There are certain medicines like cough syrups and eye drops which are sold in small bottles that can hold liquid in milliliters. Remember kids, every liquid is generally measured in liters and milliliters. So, wasn't it fun today learning something new?